Hello students, welcome to Commerce class. In this class, we'll be continuing our topic which is communication. Our focus for this lesson will be the Nigerian Postal Service, that is the NIPOST. Also look at the Nigerian Telecommunication Limited, that is NITEL. We'll look at satellite communication and courier services. We will be starting off with NIPOST, that is the Nigeria Postal Service. The first post office in Nigeria was established in the year 1856 in Lagos. NIPOST was originally and jointly constituted as the Department of Postal and Telecommunication, that is P&T. But in the year 1984, the Telecommunication Department of P&T was merged with the Nigeria External Communication Limited, that is NET Limited, to form the Nigeria Telecommunication Limited. The other postal division was reconstituted into an extra ministerial department known presently as the Nigeria Postal Service, that is NIPOST. It was charged with the responsibility of ensuring proper handling of mails. Some of the functions of NIPOST are: 1. Parcel post. This ensures that parcels are handed to the post office for transmission from one person to another. Parcel post involves heavy documents, and the weight of the documents determines its weight charges. Next is ordinary letter. The post office helps to distribute ordinary letters mailed to its customers. Before a letter can be delivered, stamps must be affixed on it. Next is registered letters. This is the means whereby the post office ensures that letters are registered after making payments to safeguard them. Registered letters have lines drawn at the back horizontally and vertically. We also have recorded delivery. This service is rendered to the person sending mails to have a proof of delivery. It is good for important documents, as certificate of posting will be sent to the sender while charges are paid. We also have post risonte. The post office renders this service to travelers or tourists that are visiting another town. Other functions include licensing of franking machine, business reply service, proper handling of all postal items without any breach of trust, payment services through money order, cash on delivery services, sales of stamps, settlement of debt, etc. Now let's move on to the Nigeria Telecommunication Limited, also known as NITEL. NITEL was incorporated as a limited liability company to provide telecommunication services to the public and to oversee the transmission of messages from one place to another. Some of the functions of NITEL includes: 1. Telecommunication services. This is the fastest means of transmitting verbal messages. Subscribers are given opportunity to pass message or information to one person or another after being linked by the operators. NITEL provides local and international call services. Next is telex services. These are messages received from NITEL through printed forms instead of oral messages. NITEL sends printed urgent messages by telex facilities. Each subscriber is assigned a telex number and the system is operated by direct dial. The number must be dialed before typing can be done. Next is telegram. NITEL sends telegram messages from one person to another. A telegram is a bridge message sent at express speed to reach its destination faster than the airmail letter. Charges are made based on the number of words. We also have maritime mobile service. This is useful especially in time of emergency in transport. And lastly, for this class, NITEL renders data transmission or data services through fax, internet, etc. Now let's move on to satellite. A satellite is a communication equipment which is developed and stationed in space. It is used to send signals to different countries of the world. Some of the functions of satellite is 1. It ensures international or global transmission of messages. 2. Satellites ensures that live events are covered and watched all over the world. 3. Satellites provides telephone and television links amongst nations of the world. And 4. With the use of satellites, video conference meetings are made possible. Now let's move on to courier services. Courier services are rendered by private-owned courier companies to provide reliable and efficient means of conveying goods and documents within and outside cities and towns. Some examples of courier services or courier companies in Nigeria include God is Good Motors, DHL, FedEx, UPS, etc. Some of the functions of courier services include or courier companies include 1. Provision of efficient means of mail delivery. 2. They ensure cordial relationship between customers and companies or businesses. 3. They ensure shipment of goods. 4. They render services in all locations. 5. They also render transportation service of loads or goods. They also provide long hours of service. They also provide business reply services to customers or to businesses, and they ensure safe delivery of documents and other goods. And before we end this class, let's take a quick assessment. 1. NIPOST is majorly charged with the responsibility of A. Ensuring proper handling of mails, B. Ensuring improper handling of mails, C. Ensuring transportation of goods and services, D. Manufacturing of mails. 2. Dash is a communication equipment which is developed and stationed in the space to send signals to different places in the world. A. NIPOST, B. NITEL, C. Satellite, D. Courier. Number 3. All of these are functions of NIPOST except A. Express letters, B. Parcel post, C. Registered letters, D. Disregard letters. Number 4. Maritime mobile service is used for doing emergencies in A. Air transport, B. Sea transport, C. Road transport, D. Rail transport. And lastly, Dash is charged with the duty of providing telecommunication service to the public and oversee the transmission of messages and information from one place to another. A. NIPOST, B. Courier, C. NITEL, and D. or C. Satellite, and D. NITEL. Good luck. I hope you were able to attempt the questions. With this, we've come to the end of this class. See you in our next class. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.